maybe close to it. And as soon as I got to that 9% mark, my body's just like, no, get home now, and stews and bagels and stuff. And I came back to Spain 2 weeks later with a little bit noticeable weight on me. And I didn't even notice I was doing it, but as soon as I get beyond a certain point, my pleasure threshold for food just increases so much. So I don't consider dieting in any way to be wrong or right. I don't think the six pack, I want a six pack. I don't think that's as rewarding as most people think it is. What I do believe is a lot of people don't consider what they genuinely have to forego in order to get it. What are you sacrificing by walking this path? And that's a question for anything in life. But and on a probably slightly cheesy and deeper level, I think fitness and getting lean, if lean is your definition of fitness, which it isn't mine, it starts as a kind of a get me sexy endeavor, and then it leaves us asking questions of a much deeper meaning eventually, sooner or later, where we kind of think, is this really worth it? Having your abs, I'm not going to say it's not a nice thing to have. Of course it is. It's a really nice thing to have. And then